Right, next we create a two string type. We name them word and PigLatin. So the variable word is used to store the enter word by the user that associated with the text box right here. So in order to extract the word entered by user, we're gonna base on the name. And in this example right here, we change the name of the text box, gonna be the input word, right? So this variable right here gonna be using in order to extract the word entered by the user. So we're gonna have a input word dot text, that the content of the text the user enter into the text box gonna be assigned to the variable word right here. So this variable we're gonna use later on in order to convert the enter word into a PigLatin word. Okay. Alright, so once we have the enter word, we're gonna obtain the PigLatin word by using the substring function of the C#. So basically the word right here is an object. We use the substring function, the object, where we extract um, the character after the first character, because that's the rule of the PigLatin word. So we're gonna extract the second character to the end. So the word line -1 right here gonna be to the last character of the word. And then we're gonna add to the first character of the word right here, word substring 0, 1. It means this one right here extract the very first character of the word entered by the user, and then we add a to the end of the word. So basically, that's gonna be the PigLatin word have been created based on the word entered by the user. And the last step gonna be we output the PigLatin word we obtain from the second command right here to the label. We have named it. The label is the output text. So the text of that output word gonna be equal to the PigLatin word we obtain right here. Okay, and that's all. And now we can run the program. Right, once you click the run button, so you can enter the word into the text box right here, and the output could be based on the input word right here to form the PigLatin word. So all the words we enter have been operating correctly. So we can enter any word right here. The program gonna be extract the letter from the second letter to the end, and also move the first letter to the back and add